So the regulators are really have been working very collaboratively, I would say, especially in the U.S. The FDA has even said that they want to take more of a collaborative approach with the biotechs to understand and to help bring these products to market. But as changes are made, right, I mean, I think even especially right now we're learning with some of the supply chain challenges, right? How do you qualify new materials if you need to? And having that characterization and understanding of a product is very, very important. And I think that onus is on the developers to make sure that they fully can characterize and understand their process, and then of course be able to show the comparability to the regulators in case changes are needed for existing product, but also what's in pipeline.